And just so everything's blended, I'm kind of just dragging it all now together to connect it. And I didn't add any additional product, just whatever was left on the eyeshadow part, not the blending part. I think this side needs more pink. We're gonna go back with that lighter pink and pop more on this side. As you can see, that was really easy, but it's fun playing with colors just to have something pop, especially if your outfit is plain, which my outfits are usually plain. Same thing, we're gonna just spray it a little, and then we're gonna take the gold and we're just gonna put it in the middle. Ooh, that is definitely a pop of gold, you guys. I think I took too much. A little goes a long way. It is so pigmented, holy cow. And I'm using my finger to blend it out because I'm seriously scared to put this brush back on my lid and then put way too much gold. I was not expecting it to be that pigmented, but I love it. And of course, do the same thing to the other side. So I'm just going to clean it up a little with a makeup removing wipe. Honestly, cleaning it up with the wipe is my least favorite part because I'm so honestly cross-eyed, if you couldn't tell. So it's hard to know when one is higher than the other. Your girl is cross-eyed, so yeah. We're not done with the eyes yet because we still have to do liner and we still have to blend it out at the bottom. But I'm a weirdo and I'm so backwards, and I like to do my wing liner last, so we're gonna just skip to the rest of the face. So before I do anything else to the face, I want to make sure my makeup lasts all day. So I'm just going to spray some of my 3-in-1 Cucumber primer all over my face. And as you can tell, I really like to just load it on. Okay, I'm back. I did my foundation and concealer off camera because that's boring. So back to the eyes. I'm going to be using the same brush. I did not clean it. It has the purple, the pink, all the good colors still on it. And I'm going to be using these two colors right here. I'm going to mix it and then I'm just going to put it underneath. And I'm using this big fluffy brush because it just makes it easier to blend it and it's not like a harsh line. Now I'm going to go back and take this beige color and just sweep it all over here. This way everything's blended. You can never hurt to just go like this after doing everything. Just one last blend. Okay guys, the eyes are almost done. We just have to do some liner. Honestly, look how amazing this liner is. The tip is so fine and precise. So doing my liner is the hardest thing for me to do. This is going to be tricky. So I'm going to be using this mirror and we're going to try our best here because technically if you mess up your liner, you mess up the whole makeup look. So yeah, because the wand is so thin, it makes it easier for me to do it and not mess up. Okay, I did my liner. I did like the smallest baby line ever. It's so cute. It has glitter inside. Okay, to make the eyes pop even more, I'm gonna put some gold in the inner corner. We're almost done, you guys. We are gonna put on some blush. Okay, if you guys have been following me for a while now, you know this shade of blush is my go-to. It doesn't matter if I buy the same color over and over, just a tweak different. This is always my go-to shade. I'm just gonna smile. And to be honest, I don't contour, so that's why you're not seeing me contour. I just like a pop of blush and I'm good to go. I'm gonna pretend this is my contour basically. And we're pretty much done, and we're gonna spray the Photo Focus primer. And as you can see, it's a 3-in-1 primer. It's Prep, Set, and Refresh. I should have held that a little further, but I was afraid to hit the camera. We have 2 lippies here to use. Which one? Let's see how the pink looks. Let's just test it out. Let's just layer it on top. Let's kind of mix it. Because I feel like this is too dark, that's too light, so let's just mix it. I do like that it's really blendable. I honestly feel like mixing these two lippies together was a great idea because it's the perfect shade for my skin, I think. What do you guys think? Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you love the look as much as I do. I'm seriously obsessed with this MegaLast Liquid Shine combo. It's so cute. It's like the perfect pinky nude. Well, I made it into the perfect pinky nude. I seriously have to point out my favorite product is definitely the MegaLast Liquid Shine. It is not sticky at all, guys. Look. And it's easy to just glide on and blend. And you know how some stuff leave that weird white thing there? This does not do that. And like I said, not sticky. Super, I don't know, it's creamy and nice. And definitely not drying, so. I'm a lip addict, so I do have a 25% off code for you guys. Always have your back. So yeah, here's the code. I'll also leave it in the description box along with product links to the items I used on my face today if you're interested in checking it out. But yeah guys, 25% off, and of course you guys know Wet n Wild is already so affordable. So it's basically a steal with that 25% off code. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, this is my go-to look when I'm going to an event and when I feel like I want to dress up. It's super quick, it's super easy, and that's why I love it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!